Well, basically, it's a journey to India. What we've just thought of that coming to India is something which is our first aim for the jewelry world, because India is one of the most important part for jewelry sector at the moment. And we thought that coming to India, showcasing our jewelry would be one of the best parts to do for our jewelry to promote. That's what we thought.
Alicia is wearing a beautiful piece, rubies, and just tell us more about.
Well, this is basically an exclusive and a very rare collection of Burmese heated rubies. So these are very fine quality rubies which are found only in Burma, and they're very rare to find in a sort like that. And it's all inlaid with rock crystal quartz. That's one of the style what we have specialized in Hong Kong, which we do the inlay work in the jewelry. That's what it's specialized
And we
about.
see a very beautiful Kundan work.
Well, yes, here we are presenting something which we call the 24 karat gold Indian Kundan jewelry, also called Yash Kuber collection from our side. This is all with pure 24 karat gold and white diamonds, absolutely the best quality of diamonds what you can see in the world. That way.
Any the show today, please tell us about the collection and how you.
It's the first time I've said yes for showcasing at IIJW because I simply loved the collection. It's very complimenting to my clothes, which is for the modern contemporary woman of today. And I think most of his stuff is so lovely. It's not overdone, and it's just so wearable. Even if it's you're wearing something heavy, but it's not that you would not want to repeat again. So I totally vouch for his jewelry. Personally, going to pick up some stuff from him as well. And I think it's been a pleasure showcasing with Sabu Jewels, and I'm happy that this first IIJW that I'm doing is with their brand.
I'm really happy with the dresses what we got today. Mostly all of them are complimenting for my jewelry as well.
Just on the signing note, could you tell us the USP of the brand? Because we've heard a lot of compliments and all praises for the brand.
Well,
Just
basically,
tell us the USP about the brand.
it's basic. The craftsmanship what we emphasize on, it's only hard work which is totally handmade. All of our jewelry is handmade, and it is one of a kind jewelry. None of our jewelry is repeatable, and none of our jewelry is what we repeat as well.
So do we see Sabu Jewels in Bombay soon?
Well, we are planning to come back soon in India again.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
टेंशन ले रहा हूँ निकल ही रहे